Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do Jan's casserole. Jan is my is my mother-in-law who passed away a few years ago. My husband loved this casserole growing up as a kid. Now, my Jan's casserole, the original version, the non-AIP version, was carrots and regular potatoes, cream corn, like cream of mushroom soup and milk, and ground beef and onions. I've switched that up and we've done it with like a white sweet potato. Instead of the cream corn, I use like a scallop sauce, which makes it just really yummy and cheesy. And we have taken the cream of mushroom soup out, although we could have done that, and just added actual mushrooms and beef mixture. So my husband has tried this. He's given it a firm 2 thumbs up. Still loves his mom's version better because it's got all those other things in it that he likes, but he says this is a close second. So I hope that you guys like this as much as we do. We make this when we're thinking about Jan and or when my husband's craving it. So it turned out really well. It also makes a large amount, and it's great because you can freeze it or you can make really big. It's great for batch cooking. You can make really big versions for like a party. Your non-AIP friends will like this one a lot. We serve it with a side salad and you're getting tons of veggies and things like that. You can up or down the portions however much you want. The beef, if you want it meatier, you can add more meat. You can do more layers. Super, super easy. So think of it as a guide rather than a firm set of rules. And I hope that you guys try this one and like it. All right, without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Okay, you're going to start with melting some fat in a pan. You're going to add about 1.5 cups of mushrooms, 1 medium onion diced finely there. You're going to just saute these up until they're kind of cooked down. I add a little Herbamere at this point, about 1 teaspoon of that, just to taste there. And then you're going to add in 1 pound of ground beef, and you're going to brown all that together. That's going to be your meat mixture in this layered dish. This dish is so delicious. We ate it all up. And like I said, Steve, this is reminiscent of one of his childhood casseroles, and he loved this one. So I hope you guys do too. After your meat is all cooked up, you're going to, or kind of in that process, you want to add a little bit of salt. But once it's all cooked up, you're going to kind of set it aside. You can go ahead and take this time to slice up in a food processor if you've got it, or you can do it by hand, the carrots and the sweet potatoes. So you're going to do about 3 to 4 large carrots. This is a very forgiving recipe. You can do as much or as little as you want. You're going to just layer the bottom of that casserole dish with those. You're going to do about 1 large sweet potato. You're going to slice that up, and you're going to layer that next. Then you're going to put over half of your batch of scallop sauce. The scallop sauce is super easy. I'll put a little link below, and the recipe will be in the thing there. You just kind of blend it up in the blender. And then you're going to layer in your ground beef mixture is your next layer. So you're going to just add all of that on top of the potatoes. Then you're going to add fresh onions. So this is another onion. It's sliced up. This gives it some really great flavor. You're going to add the rest of your scallop sauce on top of that. And then you're going to cover and bake this. This one's a long baking casserole, so you're going to cook it at 350. You're going to cover it for an hour bake, and then you're going to uncover it and cook it for another 30 minutes till it gets kind of brown and bubbly. This one turned out so good. Asher and Steve both liked it. I hope that you guys like it as much as we do. We'll see you in the next video.